Hi everyone, let's see what we are going to create today. Its start is nice, perfect. What you see, the way that the text comes up, I don't really like it. So let's see how we can change that. Okay, let's start. At the end, we need to have 4 rectangle here. That you see, we need to have 4 rectangle like here. Let me just copy this slide in this to a slide. We need to have 4 rectangle like this. This rectangle had the inner shadows, all of them has the left shadows, and everything is good. So how we need to create this effect to not look like the past thing? Okay, it's pretty simple. The thing you need to do is that you have the text. For example, this is the text that we are going to use. You see it. This is the text. Let me make it visible. This is the text, for example, that we are going to use. So how we make it to look better? It's just easy. We need to, at first, delete the text from each of them. So there is no use in them. And then copy the text. For example, the first text. Let's have all the text here. The first, the secondo, and the third. Okay, we have all the text here. 1, 2, 3. And now we have them. What we are going to do in the second one, this thing is going to be in the front. Let me just delete that. This thing is going to be in the front like this. And we bring it to front. Okay, now we just simply cut the text and paste it here. Like nothing happened. So what it do? Let's take a look. For example, from here, when we come to here, the text comes better. And now do the right thing for all of them. So the result happened to something like this, with just a little change in text. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.